Hey, good afternoon. Today we got a 1975 Honda CB400F Supersport. So I'll do a little walk around video with you here, and we'll fire it up and ride it around just here a little bit. This bike is going to be for sale. Really cool little bike. It's had some, I wouldn't call it a full restoration, but it's pretty close to that. It's had a lot of work done to it. It wasn't done by us. This is pretty much exactly the way we acquired it. Pretty sure it's been repainted before. Paint looks pretty much perfect on it. Inside of the gas tank, let's look at it here. I'm pretty sure it looks like brand new metal. Yeah, there's just a really clean inside. I do see a couple red speckles, but that's about it. Really nice seat. All the chrome is in excellent shape. It's got brand new Avon, I think they're Road Rider tires on it. Tires are less than 6 months old. Exhaust is beautiful on this. I'm pretty certain that's a reproduction exhaust because it just looks so nice. I got a toolkit owner's manual with it. Two keys. Obviously those are brand new shocks because those look perfect. So this bike, of course, it's a 1975, so it's basically a 50-year-old motorcycle. It's a TMU bike, which basically stands for Total Miles Unknown, because the title has a little thing on it that just says unknown, or how do they word it? I think it says odometer discrepancy, unknown original miles, or something like that. I forget exactly how they word it. In our experience, on bikes this old, it's fairly common. I mean, who knows what happened to it over the course of 50 years. Most likely, paperwork error. We see that a lot. People go get a title transferred. They don't have the bike with them. They go into the title office and they say, well, how many miles has it got? And they go, I don't know. So they just make up some random number and then it's not correct, which makes the paperwork wrong, and now it's a TMU bike. So, don't know if that is the case on this one, but that's really common. When we got the bike, it had, the speedometer was showing 15,000 miles on it, and it had the incorrect tachometer on it because this one had the, like the bluish, grayish type face, and this one had a black face on it. So we figured it's already been partially restored. It's a beautiful motorcycle. It's a TMU bike anyway, so went ahead and bought new tachometer, new speedometer for it, so it just kind of goes with how nice the bike is. So that's the way it looks right now. Bike runs really sweet, fires right up cold. In fact, I'll show you that here in just a minute. It's got a, somebody's done the drilled rotor on it set up. That's pretty cool. Mirrors, I'm guessing those don't have Honda logos, so I'm sure that's reproduction. I'm sure there's plenty of reproduction stuff on this. You know, I think David Silver Spares sells a lot of reproduction parts for these 400 Supersports. So finding NOS stuff anymore is just getting really difficult. So if you're restoring these Japanese bikes, it's pretty much a must to find the reproduction stuff. Let's look under the seat here. So really clean. Obviously that seat's reproduction too, because of just how brand new it looks underneath there. Got there's your little cover, tool trays under there, toolkit. It is the original owner's manual, or at least an original owner's manual. So there's that. Got a couple keys with it. So it's fired up. She's cold. Haven't had it started yet today. So you can see that. No temperature there. Nothing on the cylinder head. So let's go petcock to on. Let's give it probably some choke for start. Key on, make sure we got neutral right. Yep, there we go. And we'll hit the button. And then we'll start nursing the choke off. Let it warm up just a little bit with half choke. Sweet sounding bike. Typical Honda, you hear a little bit of cam chain noise on them. Sometimes these microphones on the cell phones make it sound worse than in person. Now we can probably get rid of a little more choke. There we go. Let her warm up about like that. So yeah, it's a 1975 Honda CB400 Supersport. Really cool little bike. It's really popular. Every time somebody stops in, sees this, they talk about how their memories of one. Think of nothing else to really tell you about this one, since all the work was really done to it by the previous owner. So what you see is pretty much what we acquired, other than like I said, we put those 2 gauges on it. So looks like a new chain. So if you want to see anything else in particular, let us know. We're Williams Vintage Cycle in Xenia, Ohio. Which looks like those, how bright those marker lights are. Looks like they got LED bulbs now, I'm guessing. So I guess we can run through some switches here. So there you go. Right. Horn? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, the horn's not working. Let's see. Does it have a horn? Yep, there's one in there. Alright, so either you got a dead horn or a wire not hooked up. So we might look into that. If we can find some shop time. We got a ton of stuff waiting for shop time, so. Oh, let's see, high beam. There we go. High and low's working. Let's tail away. Yep, brake light. There we go. So everything's working on the bike. I call this basically turnkey. She's ready to enjoy. Except for maybe messing with that horn a little bit. Alright, let's see if she'll choke off yet. There we go. Let's see if I can mount this up in the tripod and run her back and forth for you. It is cold today. It is towards the end of March in Ohio. We've had some really nice weather the last few weeks, but today ain't one of them. Probably about high 30s today. So that's why she's taking a little while to warm up, I think. So, but there she is. I'll go ahead. All right, well, appreciate you watching this long if you're still here. So, I'll hit the like and subscribe. I guess I'm supposed to say that. So leave any comments down there if you got any questions. So feel free to give us a call too. So, all right, see you next time.